perspective drawing assignment or section of Unit 1. So, let's say you want to deal with landscape. The rules of perspective still follow. We're looking down a road, those lines are parallel, right? Left and right side of the road is pretty much parallel. So they need to meet at a vanishing point. Now, if we zoom in on this guy, you're going to see something. That artist does not have a point there. They have a sense of that road turning one way or the other, and so they don't bring it to a point. They leave it a little bit flat in there, okay? So that's something to think about. Then when we zoom out again, right, our eye level is somewhere in here, right? Because we can line up these telephone poles, take them back to the top of the pole to the road, and divide that in half, our eye level. Well, find out where all these lines appear, and then you want to take that vanishing point and go straight across. Eye level, straight across, eye level, okay? Also, look at all the information he's got in there, they have in there. But they're like dancing across that page describing that. Darker value, a little bit lighter, lightest value in there. Texture too. And they're not drawing every single blade of grass because once again, if we go in and let's get down there, again, we kind of get an idea what they're doing. There's like, loose marks, right, that are, dancing, here's a cluster, here's a darker area, right? Catching the shadow, whatnot. That's all you need. All right. Now let's go to the second one. Right? Incredibly loose here with this. Road going back. Another road showing me a sense of space. Once again, not coming to a point, a little bit of a flat area up in there. Look at how loose they are with describing this tree line up in here. And then the sky and clouds, right? Oh my God, I love it, the amount of energy. The marks in here and then the variation of marks, sometimes heavy, sometimes light. Vertical in here, at an angle. Vertical in here, at an angle. Erase marks. Look at that over in there, how they're just building. Kind of, if you know what, if you were paying attention and getting into the negative space drawings, what we were doing in the negative space, that would apply here, right? Let's go to the third one. Okay, here we go. This is complicated, right? They're showing me a sense of space, right? Because the side of this building is going back in space. That guy and something down in here is going to end up with my vanishing point in here somewhere, right? Boom, across there. Here, look at that. Light. But now look at how they choose to describe this, right? Now, this looks like let's call this 10 by 40 piece of paper in there. It looks like about 4 heights would equal the width, right? So this is what I did. I went here with this and I went there. So there's an 18 by 24 piece of paper, right? So see how you limit the amount of information you have to deal with, and then you get in there and go start your shapes first, what you see. And then I can tell you the process here. Smudging and then line on top of it. Charcoal pencil maybe, 4B, 6B in there. Smudge with the willow, smudge with the willow, smudge with the willow, with the willow, charcoal pencil on top of it, right? And look at how gestural those marks are over in there. They're not settling down to like draw detail-wise what that flower is, okay? They're having tons of fun in here, and I want you to have fun in your drawings too, totally. Now let's go to the next one. This could be Willard Beach, looking from over where I live, going across SMCC out to that point there where the old fort is, right? That could be. They're giving me a sense of space in here, right? It's going back. I feel like that's going back. That beach, the water's going back. So our eye level is somewhere in here, right? And then look at what's happening in here, how that goes up. But also look at how they're really working these textures in here. It may not look like much, but look at how they're working the erasers back in there and then going with probably willow first and then compressed on top, right? I love that little highlight right there and the building sticking out of the top in there. And then look at the sky, very subtle marks up in here, erasing, smudging, redrawing, smudging, erasing again. Over in here, those lines, that start to tell me buildings, right? But they're not naming it. They're not getting super detailed there. It's like generalization, generalization. Oh, a lighter area. Okay. Then let's go to, that's it. So let's review these, right? Oh, we have to get out of, nope. There we go. All right, now we might, there we go. Okay, going back in space, right? This is going back in space, and this is a fun drawing. And look at how they deal with the grass. A lot of vertical lines in there. And as they go back in space, the values become a lot lighter, right? So what if you wanted to do this, take this idea, right? Once again, let's limit the information. What happens if your drawing was in here, there to there, and maybe up in here? Or what was it if it was over in here, here to here? We'd still have a sense of space. The pathway goes off to the left, picks back up under this hill, comes up over, up, boom, and steps back. That is totally a sense of space. All right? Oh, this one, oh my Lord, I wish this was bigger because I like this. This is a great drawing to look at because of, the dark, repetitive forms here, long rectangles and the light coming through. Incredible here. Willow erasing back in, going in, smudging it out, really working it so that they're working the charcoal into that paper to come up with this diffused light sensation that happens here. And then look at this. Boom, this dark tree and this guy, how that frames this and also sends our sense of space up into the sky, up into the top of the trees. Look at this in here, this log to this log to this log, and how they work from bottom up like hands around a clock. 3:30, 2-ish, 2:30, 1 something, boom. Incredible rhythms in here in this drawing. And not trying to get fine detail in there, just working the charcoal a lot. So you have tons of options to go here with what you want to do with showing a sense of space, right? I'm going to attach these in the email I'm sending out to you guys. So look for this, go through with, and have fun with the perspective drawings, all right? Make sure you watch that first video that is explaining it and understand that the goal of these drawings is to show a sense of space in your drawing and to have fun with the mark making, right? Whether you go interiors, landscapes, or cityscapes. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.